This is my lead magnet software, and what you're looking at is 790 downloads in the past 30 days. Every single one of these downloads came from a real person that watched my content, enjoyed my content, and gave me their email in exchange for a resource I gave them for free. And you can see some people even paid me for a free resource. That's how much the content worked. This is no paid ads, no cold DMs, no posting 10 times a day, burning myself out. This is all coming from a simple system that Claude Code almost entirely runs for me. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire system, from the content strategy to the AI tools that run the strategy for me, so you can get hundreds of people coming to you as inbound leads without running paid ads or sending a single outbound message. And one thing I want you to understand before you start is most people ask, what should I post? And that's the completely wrong question to ask. I'm going to show you what to actually be doing to set yourself up for hundreds of inbound leads every single month for your agency, coaching service, or software platform. Let's dive into it. Now, the question everyone asks when they first start is, Shaz, what should I post? What trends? What hooks? What scripts? All those different things. And that is a valid question, but that's not where you want to start. This is how you actually come up with content ideas and content topics that will get you hundreds of leads, hundreds of clients, etc. First, want to just simply backwards, and to work backwards, the tried and true strategy, and it all starts with your ICP. If you run a business, coaching offer, whatever it is, you need to know who your ICP is. Ideal client profile or persona. Where are they? What do they believe in? What revenue do they make? What income do they make? What jobs do they have? All these different things you need to know. You need to know who you are targeting, because a million views from the wrong audience is not going to make you money. It's not going to get you the leads that you want. Because you could get hundreds of people watching and 0 people will download your stuff because it's not right for them. So you need to understand who your ICP is. The second thing is, what do you actually sell to them? So what problems are you packaging up and solving for this certain ICP? That's your offer. That is your free lead magnet. That is your software product. Whatever that is, you need to have something that solves the ICP's pain points. And you only know what your ICP pain points are by knowing your ICP. Keep going down the line here. After you have the offer, which is what you're selling them, you have the messaging. The messaging is so important, especially when it comes to content. It's the language that makes them say, this is for me. It makes the ICP say, this offer is for me. This is crafting your offer to match their expectations, their language, things they're familiar with, etc. And this will differ. If you're working with an older crowd, you will say different things. If you're working with a crowd in a different country, you're going to say different things, because language and messaging will get people to be familiar with your offer, understand it's for them, and make a purchasing decision. And only then will you come up with your content topics. When you understand the messaging, understand the offer that you're selling, understand who you're selling that offer to. Now work backwards. The ICP defines your offer defines your messaging, the messaging defines the content you're making. I understand you guys, most likely you're business owners, you want more leads, you want to post content, you understand that this is the best way to get leads online and going forward. And that is how you landed on this video, and that's why you're still watching. That's exactly what I did for this video. That's exactly why hopefully some of you will grab the free lead magnet down below. This is a complete guide end to end on a 1-pager on exactly what I did. I'll be covering this in the rest of the video, but you could take this down below. So grab that if you want to follow along. You can see what I did there. It's the exact thing you could do for your audience, but you need to know these 4 steps. I have other videos breaking down how you could use Claude to help you formulate these, but this is a great starting point. And if you already run a business, you should have most of this dialed in. All right, now when it comes to content topics, this is not what the entire video is about here, but there's a few different things. If you understand the content funnel, you have your top of funnel, you have your middle of funnel, and you have your bottom of funnel. Probably seen this before, classic content funnel. I would start, depending on where you are, with these few things. So if you already have clients, you have amazing results, you have dozens of clients, case studies, and testimonials, start with some bottom of the funnel content pieces. These are client interviews. These could be handling objections that you get on sales calls. These could be handling questions that you get from your ads and why people won't book a call with you, etc. If you're just starting out, you might want to get some more reach, some more exposure. So start with more trendy stuff. Start with trends in your industry. Start with super how-to videos, like very, very top of funnel how-to videos. And then if you're sort of in between that, in my opinion, you should be doing middle of funnel, which is like education content, which is what I would consider this video. So if you're watching this video, this is educating you on how to use content plus AI to make more money. This is educating you on the entire process. If I were to run you through the content funnel as a person watching this, next I would have you watch the 8 to 10 client interviews I have down below. We've done $1 million for our clients using these exact strategies, and all of our client interviews are down below, so you can check that out. And what happens when you run people through this content funnel? They turn into your clients. They book a call, they become a lead, and they clients. All right, so that's a brief overview of like the type of content you can be creating. I have a whole another video on the content funnel if you want to go to my page and check it out. By the way, if this has been helpful so far and you've learned something, leave a like and subscribe. I have videos like this dropping every other day. Next thing we're going to handle is we have content strategy. Let's go to the execution of that content strategy. And this is where Claude Code comes into play. Now, if you're not familiar with Claude Code, you have to watch my other videos. If you already have Claude set up, this is my entire production process when it comes to creating my pillar content, which is YouTube. I'm going to go through distribution in a second, but to just give you a sneak peek, I have my YouTube content created, and then I post it on short form, then I post it on written platforms. Now I have all of these content pieces making me money. So I have YouTube making me money, I have written making me money, I have short form making me money. It all stems from YouTube because AI helps repurpose everywhere else. All right, I'm going to get to the actual distribution in a second, but that's what you could think about. So it all starts with YouTube. That's why I'm covering this first. Now, for the actual Claude skills I use, I have first a YouTube session. So I go to Claude Code, I do a / command, and it gives me a YouTube session. It actually gave me the entire script for this video that you're looking at. So if I drag this down for you guys. This is a script. I read this hook almost exactly, and Claude made this script for me. Guess what Claude also did? It made this diagram for me. What Claude is going to do when I invoke a YouTube session skill, all a skill is just telling Claude to be really good at one certain thing. In this case, it's building YouTube. So Claude will go ahead and do this for me. It will do competitor research. It will build the script, which you could see right here, presentation, lead magnet, funnel, etc. Yes, it also made this entire document for me as well. That's the reason I actually got almost 800 downloads in the last 30 days is because Claude helps me make amazing lead magnets. So once Claude does a lot of the heavy lifting for me, it does the script, it helps with thumbnails, the titles, the positioning, all those different things. I actually film the video. So I'm not going to lie to you and say that Claude automates 100% of my marketing. It's just not true. I do film the video, and I recommend everyone, please still film the videos. We run a content agency. We've had dozens of clients. We've done $1 million. Like I said, film the video. Do not use an AI avatar, some faceless thing. It just does not work as well as these videos here, right? So I actually take the time like I'm now and I'm filming the video. Next, what happens is the YouTube editor comes in. This is another skill. What the YouTube editor does is it takes the footage, it does a rough cut, adds captions, and then exports it. Now it exports it to, and again, I want to keep everything very truthful here, my other editor. So like real human editor. It's my guy here. And he actually goes ahead and edits the video, adds some nice transitions and cleans it up a little bit because this skill is not perfect, but it saves 75 to 80% of the time for him. So what he could do is edit more videos in the same time frame, meaning we all grow together. He doesn't have to do the boring parts of editing. I don't have to wait longer for videos. It's a win-win. Same thing when it comes to the YouTube thumbnail. We've actually pretty much automated this entire thing. YouTube thumbnail, the thumbnail that you're looking at right now or that you clicked on this video, look at all my page, all the thumbnails in the past 2 months, all generated with, we actually built an entire software around this. So if you want access to the software and a bunch of other cool AI marketing use cases, check out our AI marketing community down below. There's dozens of people in there using AI content Claude Code to grow their business, get more leads, post more content, etc. And I would love for you to check that out. So that will be linked down below. The YouTube thumbnail is something that is amazing. It's super important to YouTube. Now I don't have to pay an expensive designer. I don't have to wait 10 days for him to get back and go back and forth, revisions. YouTube thumbnail is done instantly. It's pretty awesome. Finally, we have the shorts clipper, and this goes into distribution. Once a video is live on YouTube, it gets clipped up into TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. It gets auto posted, right? And that's the next part, which is distribution. So the video is live on YouTube. And again, Claude Code helped us get this video live. Like 80% to 90% is done by Claude Code. I just fill in the next 10%. So that helps me get on YouTube. And then once it's live on YouTube, the shorts clipper helps me get on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. I've gotten 2 to 3 million views on TikTok. Instagram, I have a lot of mutuals and connections there because I post a lot. YouTube Shorts, I'm just starting to get into a little bit more, but I'm expanding my reach. I'm reaching thousands of people every single day with not much work on my end. And then also people see the lead magnet. And if you want to like draw lines to every single thing, people also sometimes see my TikTok, download the lead magnet as well. It's just less common. Usually people come from my YouTube to actually go ahead and do that. And one more flywheel I didn't mention to you guys is once something is live on YouTube and we repurpose it to TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts, we send those people back to YouTube. So it creates like this flywheel effect. People discover me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, and then they watch my long form videos, and then they download the lead magnet. And then when they download the lead magnet, they become a client, right? So that's sort of the entire funnel and exactly how things work from a distribution point. So when they do this, they become a client, like you can see there. Now, are there some manual steps in between these? Yes, I do have to download the videos here and I have to post them. But again, 80% of this was not possible very long ago. Automation was there, but now the speed at which you could do it with the proper Claude Code setup is absolutely amazing. And that's how I visualize distribution. You can see there's not a million things going on. Don't overcomplicate this. This is the exact system I've been using hundreds of leads every single month for my business. This is exactly how it works. So far we have worked backwards to get content ideas. We have automated YouTube like 90%, which is our pillar platform. The most important platform to make the strategy work is YouTube. You need to be there. Then that was the distribution strategy. What's next? This is turning it into actual leads and clients and revenue, right? So conversion and revenue, this is sort of how we look at it. Views and reach, lead magnet download, lead magnet goes to the email list. And from the email list, it's super simple. They go to our agency services, they go to our school community or some other consulting gigs that we have. Like that is literally it. The good thing about YouTube and content is sometimes people, if they really like the content, we've had some things happen, they don't need to go to the email list. They just go right to the school community, right to the collaborations. They go right to the agency services. Collaborations are basically affiliates, brand deals, sponsorships, people reaching out about paid speaking gigs, all those different things. All right. So that's sort of the funnel. It is really, again, simple. There are 2 routes. They get to the same places. Some people just need more nurturing than others, etc. But what happened last month and continually trending up for us is 790 downloads came from our social media, majority YouTube, to our email list. So I have 790 people to sell to these communities if they're a good fit. And the great thing is in our emails and everything, we auto segment people. All right. So people coming from different videos, we could tell what they're interested in and we could sell them on different things. You could really get data driven with this because of this type of platform. So you can see where they're coming from, what they're downloading. Some people come in, they download absolutely everything. You can see YouTube is the main driver of our success. All right. So direct, email, and IM, these are like from other platforms. It doesn't really track Instagram and TikTok as well as I thought it would, but regardless, you could see that most of the traffic is coming from YouTube, and that's sort of how we split stuff up. So again, does not have to be complicated. The whole thing is you want to be driving consistency through the entire pipeline. Like you need to post on YouTube consistently. You need to get the lead magnet consistently, send the email list consistently, and then promote your stuff consistently. And then you'll add an extra 10, 20, 30K a month from this exact approach. If you're not posting on YouTube, check our description down below. below, we have a complete done for you YouTube offer. We would love to get you up and running on YouTube so you can get hundreds of leads for your business, and then you can repurpose and literally use the exact same strategy. If you already have a business, this is almost a no-brainer. If this is valuable, subscribe for videos like this every other day, and I will see you in the next video, which you could watch here if you like this one. That's all I had for you, short and sweet, and I'll talk to you guys soon.